Welcome everybody. This is Milansoccer1313 bringing you box break number 379. Let's make note of the time here in the corner. It is now 11:07 p.m. on Wednesday, August the 4th, when the Winnipeg would have sold at 10:59 p.m. also on Wednesday, August 4th. So about 8-9 minutes in after the last team sold. This is for one box of extended series, and we have acquired another case. So this is the very first box of the case. I must admit, case number 1 was full of hits and special Easter egg cards, so I'm hoping to do better, but at least the same for this case. The serial number you see there was listed in all 31 NHL listings on eBay, and we will be sure to show that same serial number before we open up the box. There are a few new guys with me, so just bear with me as we go through the rules. Let's pick on B. Curtis, only because he's been with me and he's a good guy. In this case, he has the Panthers and the Islanders. I'm going to open up this box. There's going to be anywhere from 23, 22, 24 hits. Generally one hit per pack. I'm going to set those hits aside. Those are the hits that get mailed out. If there are any Florida or the New York Islander cards, I'm going to mail them to B. Curtis to his shipping address on eBay. Now, please make sure your shipping address on eBay is up to date and correct, because that's where I will be mailing them to. In the unfortunate event that there are no Florida Panther cards or Islander cards, I'm going to mark it as shipped on eBay. However, nothing physically is going to be mailed to B. Curtis because there was nothing to mail. I know he paid 50 cents per team, but that's a small collection for the amount of product and packaging that needs to go out with extended series. All right? And if you do have a package coming to you, please be patient as COVID has slowed down the process. I sent a tracked package a couple weeks ago to the States. It still hasn't arrived. Even though it says tracked, it's got another few days before it gets there. So tracked packages are taking even longer than usual. All right, let's get to it. Arizona Bay owns the Bruins, the Knights, and the Capitals. B. Curtis owns the Panthers and the Islanders. Cathonic 1409 has the Hurricanes, the Blackhawks, the Avalanche, the Predators, and the Ottawa Senators. Cooperstown Collection has the Canadiens. Fast Forward Fish, the second, owns the Coyotes, the Flyers, and the Sharks. Coolidge owns the Sabres, the Jackets, the Red Wings, the Devils, the Blues, the Lightning, and the Vancouver Canucks. Mazelma owns the New York Rangers. Nuxelkman owns the Flames and the Oilers. Rifle 87 has the Ducks, the Penguins, and the Jets. Rhino 1820 has the Leafs. And rounding us out, Ufil owns the Dallas Stars, the Kings, and the Minnesota Wild. All right, 659, 671 as we transition over to the webcam. And let's show that. Oh, why isn't it focusing? There we go. 659, 671. As promised, as advertised, and now being delivered. Good luck, everyone. I'm excited for the second case. And who knows what it seems like there was a special card in each case. Let it be a clear cut, a exclusive, a one of the high-end rookies, or just something special in every single box. So let's hope that trend continues. Or a French variant Young Gun. All right, box 1, and again we are going with box 2 tomorrow night. Just want to make sure that we're over here, and I can move the cursor so we don't time out. Our first hit from the new box is a Jake Gensel 506 series for your Pittsburgh Penguins. And again, there's 4 of those per box. That has been the standard, and 1 has been the rookie retro, which I must admit are very nice. And we've been hitting the big ones. And there we go again. Here it is, Thomas Harley for your Dallas Stars. Right away, no suspense. That is the retro 506 rookie. Congratulations to Dallas. Way to start us off. We'll be looking for suit variants or all-star different jersey variants. All right. It is. I know there's no Hopi, but I'm going to set that one aside just in case. This could be the dead pack. I will double check if that's the variant Hopi suit at the end, but I don't think it is. Just because the All-Star card was right in the middle where the hit usually is. But there is one dead pack per box. And we have a McDavid 2021. Congratulations to Edmonton. Ultimate victory. In the back of that is CM2. And those are rare too. They do pop up, but not every box. And we have another Thomas Hardy, this time a Holo FX. Congratulations to Dallas once again. Yeah, there's so many variants that it's hard to keep track, but we'll take a look at that one at the end. Sometimes it's the All-Star uniform in a different color. Jack Eichel, Holo FX for your Buffalo Sabres. Congrats. Young Gun incoming for your Calgary Flames, Connor McKay. Congratulations to the Flames. Young Gun incoming for your St. Louis Blues, Joel Hofer. The kids are so young. We have a rookie class, Yegor Sharangovich for your New Jersey Devils. Congratulations to the Devils. Ty Dellandrea for your Dallas Stars, Ultimate Victory rookie variation. Rookie class, Ilya Sorokin for your Islanders. We have a John Gibson Ovations for your Anaheim Ducks. We have a 506 Thomas Chabot for your Ottawa Senators. We have a Miro Heiskanen, Dallas Stars, our last 506 retro card. Congratulations to Dallas. Young Gun incoming for your Vancouver Canucks, Jack Rathbone. Young Gun incoming for your Anaheim Ducks, Cody Curran. Congratulations to Anaheim. hitter SPX Finite, and it also Miro Heiskanen. Couple double ups. Congratulations to Dallas. Still looking for the French variant or a dead pack, and then that would make me more confirm that that Hopi card is a variant, but we will look it up. I don't remember him being on the list, but here is our French variant. So we got that one for your Tampa Bay Lightning, Ryan McDonough, variant Francais. They've been pretty consistent, one per box. It's more fun when it lands on a young gun, but they're not as they don't put as many as they did in the Series 1 and Series 2. And we have a Dazzler, and not a bad one. Alessi Heponiemi. Congratulations, Florida. This kid's supposed to be good. Yeah, so they're rare. The Young Gun French variants are more rare in this extended series. Kevin Lankinen, Ultimate Victory. Rookie variation for your Chicago Blackhawks. They gave us another ovation, but this one looks like a different silver for your Washington Caps. Congratulations to Alex Ovechkin. I'm not sure if that's spelt right. Seems like there's a missing letter in his name, but that could be me. Congratulations to Washington. I think this is a different variation because the other one was generally they're brown or gold. Nice hit for Washington. And we have a Reflections for Jack Hughes and your New Jersey Devils. So we're still waiting on the dead pack. That could have been it, but we'll see if there's another one, then we'll have to investigate. Young Gun incoming for your New Jersey Devils, Kevin Ball. Not bad. Last pack. And then we'll sign off and maybe we'll do a little bit of research if you guys want to stick around. Young Gun incoming. Austin Strand for your LA Kings. And there you have it. So chances are this is probably just a base. But as I sign off, you guys are more than welcome to stay with me as we switch over back to the desktop and show the time again. It is now 11:21 p.m. as that just switched on Wednesday. And I'm going to quickly load up a new window. And I'm going to search for Series 2. Sorry, Extended Series on Cardboard Connection. All right, I'll bring that over and set checklist. And let's look at the variants. It should be just a base, but we'll see. So these are the street clothes. They're pretty evident when they're suits or in a polo shirt, but I'm looking at these ones. And Brian Hopi is not on the list. So that is the dead pack. It's kind of hard, as you can see here. Nathan McKinnon wearing a helmet when he's not wearing a helmet. The hardest one is Patrick Kane when he's skating and there's a camera guy behind him. But the McDavid black jersey or the Pasternak white jersey, the Leon Draisaitl black jersey, at least it's one color or the other. So that is the dead pack. The Brian Hopi card is just a base. And there you have it, ladies and gents. Hope to see you guys tomorrow night with box number 2.